Hello guys, so today I'll be making my Apache Revolver. So this one side. Okay. So you're gonna grab you're gonna start out with a square piece of paper. You're gonna make a 8x8 grid. So you're gonna fold it in half like this. Then you're gonna fold it the other way in half. Then you're gonna bring all the edges to the center line. Twice like this for all the sides. Okay. So bring this edge to the center line, and once again like this. And bring this edge to the center like this, and again. And once again, and finally this side also. Okay, like this. Then you're gonna fold the other crease line like a fan over like this, and have it so the edges are facing down. Okay, and you're gonna fold it like a fan again on this side down to the center. Okay, like that. Okay, and hold the corners together also while you're doing that. Okay, then you're gonna have two columns open like this, and fold the rest of it down like a fan, like this. Okay, now you see the crease line where this flap is. You're going to fold that down like that. You're going to push that crease line down where this flap is. Okay, then you're going to fold it down like that. Okay. So where this flap is, you're going to push this thing down and make this square on the side. Okay, now you're gonna lift this pocket up and to the side like this. Okay, so bring the square to the back like this. Then you're gonna open this pocket here, kind of swing it over towards the top like this. So don't do anything here, but open the pocket and just swing it up like so. Okay, now you want to fold this kind of in and kind of leave some space in the front, like so. Okay. Then you're gonna fold this in half and fold it downward, like this. So inside the gun also. So inward. So this side also. So you're gonna fold it in half and fold it downward, like this. Okay, then you're gonna fold this flap out. And down like this. Then out like that. Then fold these corners in. Okay, and fold all the strip off to the side like that and put it over each other. Okay. Now you're gonna flip it over and you're gonna fold this side over. So you're gonna bring this corner down to the bottom like that. Kind of slide it over. Like that. Then you're gonna zigzag fold the front here. Like so. Then you're gonna fold again, kind of. You're gonna bring that corner down to the bottom again. And kind of like this. Okay, then you're gonna curve this square. Okay, to make the revolver. The cylinder. And ta-da, here's my Apache revolver. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day.